same way. Good vibration. My love.
Blaze the fire, the righteous fire. And with that, people, let's get right into it. As the title say, we just have some good music. We're going to show you Chronixx on stage. Second time I see him in a years, in a long while. We're supposed to, we're still going to do a video on the whole why Chronixx did stop music, you know. That was controversial, but great for seeing him back. You know, with the usual crew. Well, a part of the usual crew. Jesse Royal and his wife. And him up there with the Marleys them. So it's a great look. Not gonna waste no time, not gonna hold you up. Yeah man, I can watch the thing.
Well, the real reggae then there. For some blood, if you have a real friend in a Batman museum tonight. For some blood, move. Cause some of the people you will raid. Yes, and them they still choose to show you hate. So why you do it? Run them out, so you. Why you take it down? Why hear them sing? Why hear them? For them for them are back. Some hypocritical too. We call them modern day. We can't hear you. Spread us up. Yo, for them are back. Some hypocritical too. We call them modern day. But them spread us up. Some say, why should I be afraid of you? When you bleed just like I do. They got them kind of money that you like it for. Trying to show us how I got no time for you. Cause it's not come up if you wanna step in and we show you we can never live now. Lose or never confused. Oh, everything you wake you get because you know your faith. And every step you take I bring you closer to your fix. But I am like a killer when you easy shake. We certain say I'm feeling on them can't take. We guided by the master. But why you hear you sing? Hey, but up for them are back. Some hypocritical too. We call them modern day. But them must spread us up. Send up for them are back. Hypocritical too. Call them modern day. Alright, yo. Now welcome one of my sister on stage. Make some noise to my sister Kalisa.
To take my hand and love me, don't you see that I am not any older? I hear you calling, and honestly you cloud my head, feels like I'm falling. I had to catch myself, boy you better take your time, you better slow your pace, there's a way to do this right, real love is worth the wait, oh you better take your time, but don't let it slip away, I see you trying to lock your eyes with mine, listen to this one now, you locked away my heart like a secret, you locked away my heart like rubies and gold. You locked away my heart so nobody could find it. My love was stolen. Whoa, 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 no, listen. In this concrete jungle like a mess is on the move. Who managed to keep it humble even though she never lose. Militant interference, but she's always looking cute. And she don't need no interference from my belonging to do. No, protected and she's guided. The love of the Almighty lead the way. And if you ever disrespect our treasure, judgments will be cast upon you all your days. She's solid as a rock, stand firm in the battle of her heart.
friend indeed.
Yes! Friend with weed is a friend indeed.
A friend with weed is a friend indeed.
Friend with weed is a friend indeed.
I coulda
You know? Well, we say here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome again. It's a greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First. Jah! Rastafari. So blessed is the soul of Joseph, our brother. You live forever. You know, we give thanks. Blessed love to the brethren you are. Left or right, that soldiers are come on left or right. Love, left or right, that soldiers. Ooh yeah. Well, I say, here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the Rasta. You know the attitude, see general issue, we don't want it. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the Rasta. And at the same time, you carry me go home. You bring me round the east. Come on, a Rasta, no live and no Rasta. None at all, you carry me go, oh yeah. As every second and ceases. Come on, a Rasta, no. Well, everybody wanna feel like free. Forget the troubles and the rapping. Well, you know me, love it. Everybody wanna feel like me, yeah. Forget the troubles and the rock with me. Let's say one more thing. East, hey, legends never die, tell them not cry for me. Eternal life for the righteous. Many came and touch it and never touch it like us. Many books they studied and still couldn't decipher the meanings of the secrets. Jaja teaches enlighten us and they show us all the riches. Still couldn't frighten us. Spiritually we highly Selassie disciples. Delivering the sonics were revealing the rightful ruler to the sleeping, had them dreams in the night. We don't need no heap of blinking, just a beat and a mic. Like tenor saw over the slick thing just to free people mind. If you have a sleep with your rap. Hey! Sharp beats. Until them go make me run, go feel me get lit. Me drop it in the pick up, man, they go when that spin. Man, I said them never see no play it same way.
Good vibration.
My love.
Make some noise for the brother Chronixx. What a righteous man. Make some noise. This is Catalysa. Make some noise for you and Marley.
Yeah, man, him do it. The people them go crazy for him, man. It's a whole nostalgic feeling. It's a nice feeling. Yeah, man, to hear them kind of music. But the sound it kind of off. Never really loved the acoustic or how the mic where him and his wife did use sound, but overall, man, yeah, you can see I miss the road and ready back feet. Energy low in terms of, you know, performance, but I think it was just a conscious energy they I try to push off more than the, you know, the hype energy, which are Chronixx as we know. Most of the people in that crew, the Janine, the Chronixx, the Protege, the Ibamar, Jesse Royal, yeah man, most of them are humble, you know, in terms of their decorum on stage. But yeah people, thanks for watching. The video is long already. Now go talk too much over it. Yeah, man. Remember to drop a like and a subscribe. Comment in the section. How you feel about Chronixx comeback, or do you feel like he's back? Or him just do a 2 performance and I'm going to disappear again? I guess time will tell. But yeah, man, one love, people.